Relaxed Northwest living awaits at this tranquil and private retreat in Medina. This fabulous residence offers one of the most private and secure settings on Lake Washington, accessed by tram, which can be locked down to ensure complete privacy and security at the touch of a button. Relaxation sets in from the moment you arrive at this street-to-water estate with 125 feet of waterfront. The charming shingled exterior and classic architecture create the perfect balance with a gorgeous setting. With no homes at the water's edge on either side, this residence offers complete privacy from neighbors. The warm and inviting great room with stacked rock fireplace draws in sweeping west-facing views of Lake Washington and the Seattle skyline. Enjoy evenings on the over 2,000 square foot covered deck as you watch the sun set. Create fun dinners in the gourmet kitchen overlooking the view. Just around the corner, find the office with floor-to-ceiling bookshelves and access to the deck. On the upper level, find the spacious master suite with sleeping porch, providing a front row seat to watch the ever-changing light on the lake and city skyline. An additional guest suite completes the upper level. Downstairs, find more entertaining space, including a rec room and wine cellar. 2 additional bedrooms and bathroom with access to the lake create an ideal setup for guests. 125 feet of waterfront and a private dock leave nothing to be desired for lakeside lifestyle. The property also hosts a workshop, easily converted to an exercise studio or office. At street level, find a separate guest house with living room, bedroom, kitchen, and bath, plus a 3-car garage and plenty of additional parking for guests. Show-stopping views. Relaxed Northwest living. The ultimate in privacy. Welcome to the retreat on Evergreen Point.